Alright, morning everyone. Doesn't look like it, but there's a massive storm coming. So there's like literally, there's a couple of clouds out there right on the horizon. But yeah, I know it doesn't look like it, but there is. And I'll put some screenshots of all the weather stuff, what they're saying. I thought I'd film it. I've got nothing else to do. My back's still crook. It only happened yesterday, so yeah, got nothing else to do. So I thought I'd make a video about a typical Perth storm, and you'll see how much of a non-event it is. You can see. I'll see if I can zoom in. Just on the horizon there, those orangey clouds. That's the way it's coming too. That's west, so our ocean's just there, so it's all coming straight towards us. I don't think it's pretty early. I don't even know what time it is. I don't have my phone on me, but I think it's about 7:30 or so, and it is not even. So yeah, it's like 8 degrees, something like that. So oops, sorry, that's my little selfie stick thing not working. So yeah, I'll just come out. I've put all the screenshots. I would have already put them on, I think. I'll put them in the video. I've got wind, radar, rain accumulation over the next 10 days. I've just seen them on the computer. I've just done all the screenshots. So yeah, it's gonna rain tonight, or this afternoon, tonight, and most of the day tomorrow. And then I think next Monday or Tuesday it's going to do the same thing. So over the next 10 days, that's what the rain accumulation will show. I've got a wind one there, so it's going to get really windy tonight, and then it's just going to taper back down to nothing. I've got the forecast for today, and then also another graph thingy that shows the next few days, and you'll see the bump in the rain, and then it comes back down, and then the rain coming Monday, Tuesday. I can't remember what day it was, but yeah, later on in the week we're getting another one. But yeah, this is how they kind of start. It goes from really nice, like not one cloud, to a fair bit of rain, all in a space of a couple of hours. So yeah, I'll keep coming out when the clouds start coming over, and then when the rain starts. So yeah, all good. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we got some clouds coming now. It's 1:30 in the afternoon, and you can see getting surrounded. The actual weather's coming from the west though, but they look like pretty nasty clouds there too. Coming, you can see them now. They definitely look like storm clouds coming through. They look really bad, but the weather's kind of, that's north, and yeah, the weather's, you can see how dark it is down there. But the wind's picked up, getting a bit cooler. It was actually at lunchtime, it was pretty good. 11:30, 12 o'clock, it was blue skies, and the wind had just kicked in then. But yeah, it's definitely rolling in now. I'd say we'd see it about, I think they're just saying about 4:30, 5 o'clock this afternoon it's going to hit. So I'll probably come back out then, or maybe just before, and see what stage we're at. Okay, 3 o'clock, and it's getting even worse. Still says it's coming from that way, but the clouds over here, you can see the massive storm clouds there. Looks pretty cool. So it's probably going to surround us. It's coming, so west is coming straight there. It's coming from there. I'm probably hear the wind coming through. So looking good. Looks like we're going to have a rough night. Yeah, those clouds look really nasty. So hopefully they're coming this way. That'll be good. I just got a warning on one of my apps saying that it's going to rain in half an hour. So we'll see how long that is. Probably going to last about an hour, and then come back about 6, and then it's really going to be set in for the night. So we'll see how we go. So 5:15. It's actually cleared up a little bit. Funny, but the wind's picked up, and it's definitely coming from that area there, as you can see. So just got a warning that there's rain coming in 10 minutes. can't even step out. Yeah, I'm actually getting wet under here, right near the doors. Around. Pretty nice. And it's all coming in from that way. Come out a bit later on if it gets much worse. Oh, here it comes. If I stand over here, I'll probably be right. Oh, no, it's worse. There we go. Try out this pure video mode. It's meant to be a low light mode. See if that looks any better. Yeah, she's coming down. Anyway, I'll come back out later so you can see the rain. Look at that. Nice. Alright, morning everyone. It's pretty early. It's like 10 to 7, something like that. It rained most of the night, but it hasn't rained. It's only 9 degrees. I'll put some screenshots up. You can see it's actually cleared up. Oh yeah, it's cleared up a fair bit. There's a big one coming. I'll put a screenshot in of the clouds. So that's west. It's coming from the southwest now. So that's why it's a nice cool breeze at the moment. The moon's still up, if you can see that. And yeah, heaps of, so we're kind of surrounded by cloud, but where we are is nice and clear. A bit weird. So the dogs will come out and do their business now, because you can see the ground's not even wet here. It rained all night, but it hasn't rained for probably the last 3 or 4 hours. It kind of stopped. I think it's just going to be drizzle for the rest of the day. We've only had about 15 mil of rain. So yeah, it wasn't even as bad as what they said. We had a lot of wind. I'm pretty sure I just heard on the radio that it was 100k an hour gust. Down on the coast, but you know, by the time it gets here it's not that strong. But yeah, but anyway, that's I'll put a screenshot up of the rain that's still coming from the southwest. It's just scattered, it's nothing serious. All it is there he goes. Good boy. So he'll do it in the middle of the grass, and the big one does it in the garden. Should be strange, but anyway. So yeah, that's all it is. You can see it's really dark cloud on the horizon just there, but that's going to go that way and miss us. I can't really see what's coming our way. Like I said, there is a bit of scattered stuff, but nothing with any amount of rain. See it there. So yeah, I think we'll leave it at that. I think the next front that's coming through is not till next week. Midweek or something, Tuesday, Wednesday, midweek, next week. So yeah, that's all we get in Perth, is a bit of wind, a little bit of rain, and that's about it. They say 40 mil and we end up with 15. That's what I mean. You can half pretty much everything they say rain wise. You can half, and that's what we get. But anyway, just a quickie. Back's feeling a bit better. It's day 4 or something like that now. Day 4, day 5. No more tablets, and yeah, back's feeling a lot better. Can actually get out of bed now in the morning. So and I can breathe. I can take a full breath in without hurting. So all good. But anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.